Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your password on your Dropbox account. So if you haven't watched my last video on how to sign up into Dropbox, make sure to do that. And I hope you have already signed up and logged in into your Dropbox account. So if you haven't, just go to any browser you want and go to dropbox.com. And once you log in with your email and your password, you should be on this page right here. So first of all, on the top right of your screen, you will see a little logo with either the first letters of your name, which is same in my case, and then click on it. And once you have done that, as you can see, it is a 30 days free trial for me, but you can also have the paid version. But basically go to this settings tab and click on it. And finally, once you have done that, the password change should be on the security tab right over here. So go ahead and click the security tab, and finally, as you can see, there is your password, and there is also a change password button right over here. So you want to click on change password, and finally you got to input your old password right here. And then on the bottom tab, enter your new password, and then finally click on this change password button right here, which is going to be changing the password of your account. And congratulations, your password has been changed successfully. And if this video was helpful, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and with that being said, thank you for watching.